Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Smash. Well, I'm recording it back to back, but probably doesn't mean you're watching it back to back. So, now the basic skills required today, you need to know how to do multiplication of fractions now. Today, the topic we're doing will be the division of fractions. Now, the rule, change the division sign into multiplication sign and flip the fraction behind the division sign upside down. Then do the multiplication for the fractions. What do I mean by that? Examples, a half divided by 2/3. So keep the first fraction, change the division sign into multiplication sign, and the fraction behind it upside down. So instead of 2/3, it becomes 3/2. And then do the multiplication of fractions. What do? Top times by top, 1 times by 3 equal to 3. Bottom times by bottom, 2 times by 2, which will equal to 4. And that is it. Please show the process, don't forget. And again, it's not going to be one page, and we will do more examples. So what if I have 2/3 divided by 4/9? So the first fraction stays the same, and division becomes multiplication, and 4/9 becomes 9/4. Before we get the answer, revision for crossing out, cancelling out. So we find 3 and 9, I can cancel out by, divide both of them by 3. So 3 divided by 3 equal to 1, 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. And 2/4, 2 and 4 can both be divided by 2. We get a 1 in here and a 2 in here. So with all that I have that's left, 1 times by 3 equal to 3, 1 times by 2 equal to 2. And the answer would be 1.5. Another example, 5/12 divided by 4/7. 5/12 stay the same, times by 7/4. So 5 times by 7, which equal to 35. 12 times by 4 equal to 48. Why aren't I doing any crossing out? Because nothing you can cross out. Complications. What if we're dealing with a whole number? What about 2/3 divided by 5? This is actually the last video before your test, before your CAT, so please start to remember a whole number would be 5/1. So 2/3 divided by 5/1, which would equal to 2/3 times by 1/5, and the answer would be, again, can I cross anything out? 2 cross with 3, 2 cross with 5? No. So 2/3 times by 5, which is 15. Complication mixed number, and as always, we convert mixed number into improper. Now the example, 1 and 5/6 divided by 2 and a half. Before we move on to the division, we need to convert them all back into improper fraction. 1 and 5/6 becomes 11/6. If you still have trouble with this, please ask for help, because that is considered as basic skills now. Divided by 2.5 becomes 5/2. And then 11/6, division becomes multiply, 5/2 becomes 2/5. Now, anything that we can cross out? 11/6, no. 2/5, no. 11 and 5, no. 6 and 2 can be both divided by 2, so which will end up with 3 and 1. So the answer we get will be 11 times by 1, 11 over 3 times by 5, 15. And that is your final answer. Nice work, everyone. Now, last time I only a fun fact, so today we're doing 2. Do you know the design of the current United States flag was, the designer of the current United States flag was 17 years old at that time, and when he created it, he only got a B-. When there's something about Australian flag, I'll try to look for that. Alexander the Great encouraged his men to shave so the enemies couldn't grab their beards during battles. Well, that's a savage time. Anyways, thank you for watching Smash, and see you next time. Well, good luck for the fraction cat that is coming up.